Hi guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome to another video, and here we go. Recently got the DJI Osmo Action 4 standard combo with SanDisk Extreme Pro, which was actually recommended to shoot 4K videos in UHD. And this is the unboxing. I'm very sorry, I've already done the unboxing, and in this, what all we have the action camera here. Very happy actually to get one of this Action 4, and here we have some stickers in the box, and we got one battery, and then we have a camera cover, and then we have this magnetic mount which is very helpful, and then we have the casing, then we have the charger for this. So this is the new camera what we got recently, and once the video is taken, we'll update you shortly. Okay, thank you, bye bye.